Are you making these 25 English mistakes every day without knowing it? Let's fix them together, one by one. I am agree. Not quite. We don't say I am agree. I agree. This is correct. No am needed. Just I agree. I have 25 years. Native speakers never say this. I am 25 years old. This is the natural way. I am 25 years old. She is a very intelligent people. Close but not correct. She is a very intelligent person. Person is singular. She is a person. Where is you from? This sounds a little off, right? Where are you from? Are, not is. Where are you from? He don't like coffee. Almost, but listen carefully. He doesn't like coffee. With he/she/it, we use doesn't. I am boring today. This actually means something different. I am bored today. Boring describes things. Bored describes you. I have hunger. We don't say it this way in English. I am hungry. Simple and natural. I am hungry. It depends on the weather. Small mistake, big difference. It depends on the weather. Depends on, not depends off. I don't have no money. Two negatives, that's a common trap. I don't have any money. One negative is enough. I don't have any money. I am here since 2 hours. Very common mistake. Let's fix it. I have been here for 2 hours. Have been plus for the duration. Perfect. Can you explain me this? So close, but the order is wrong. Can you explain this to me? Explain this to me. Now it's natural. I am waiting you. Missing one small but important word. I am waiting for you. Waiting for, always add for. If you're learning something new, hit subscribe right now. New English lessons every day. Join the WordsAlive family. She is married with a doctor. Almost right, but one word is wrong. She is married to a doctor. Married to, not married with. I go with car to work. This one trips up a lot of learners. I go to work by car. By car, by bus, by train. Easy. He's good in English. So close, but listen again. He is good at English. Good at, not good in. Remember this. I am interested in this job. This mistake can be a little embarrassing. I am interested in this job. Interested, not interesting. Big difference. I have a doubt about this. In English, we say it differently. I have a question about this. Question, not doubt. Now you know. This is more better now. Two comparatives at once? Let's simplify. This is much better now. Much better, clean, and correct. I very like it. The word order needs a small fix. I like it very much. Very much goes at the end. Everybody are happy. Everybody sounds plural, but it's not. Everybody is happy. Everybody is always singular. Everybody is happy. I am living here since 5 years. This mix-up is super common. I have been living here for 5 years. Have been plus 4. Perfect English. Can you repeat me, please? One small word is missing here. Can you repeat that, please? Repeat that. Now it's natural. He said me that he's busy. This verb needs a partner change. He told me that he's busy. Told me, not said me. Remember it. Is possible to help me? One tiny word makes it correct. Is it possible to help me? Is it possible? Never forget the it. I will make a photo. This is our last mistake. Let's fix it. I will take a photo. Take a photo, not make a photo. Now you know all 25. Practice every day and see you in the next lesson.